Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Rukun Budi Santoso. Saya dari Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Program Studi Manajemen NPM 244111089. Understanding Demand and Supply Foundation, Explanatory Material on Economic and Concept of Demand and Supply. Introduction to Demand and Supply Foundation, key mechanical concept that shape market dynamic and economic prediction. Defining the demand foundation, understanding the factor influencing demand in the market, price effects. As price declines, quantity demand typically increase, illustrating the inverse relationship. Substitutes availability. The availability of substitutes can reduce demand for a given product, impacting market dynamic. Consumer preference change in taste and preference can shift the demand curve, affecting overall demand. Income levels. Higher income generally increase demand for normal goods, reflecting consumer purchasing power. Defining the supply foundation, exploring factors that influence supply levels in the market. Production costs. Higher production costs can reduce supply as producers may not be able to sustain lower profit margins. Number of sellers. An increase in the number of sellers in the market generally leads to an increase in overall supply. Technology advancement often lead to more efficient production process, which can increase supply. In product expansion, about future price can influence their current supply decision, impact market availability. Graphical representation of demand and supply, understanding the inverse and direct relationship in market dynamic. Price, quantity demand, quantity supplies. Factors affecting demand, understanding key elements that influence consumer demand. Price is a fundamental determinant of demand direction, influencing consumer purchasing decisions. Incomes reference. Higher income level typically increase demand for normal goods, while lower income can boost demand for inferior goods. Consumer preference shift in consumer taste can significantly impact demand, leading to increase purchase substitutes. The presence of alternative products can decrease demand. For explain, an increase in electric vehicles may reduce demand for traditional gasoline car. Factor affecting supply, understanding the key elements that influence supply dynamic. Production costs. High production costs typically leads to a decrease in supply as it becomes less profitable for products. Number of sellers. An increase in the number of sellers with market generally reduces to a higher total market supply, benefit consumer. Technology advancement. In technology can significantly enhance supply efficiency, allowing for greater output with the same results. Expansions produce expansions of future price increase, while it tend to reduce current supply in anticipation of higher profit later. Real world application. Electric vehicles market, understanding demand and supply foundation. Number 1, increase consumer preference. Consumers are increasing opting for eco-friendly vehicles, driving demand. Number 2, governmental subsidies various governments are providing subsidies to encourage electric vehicles. Post number 3, technological advance. Improvements in battery efficiency are encouraging the upgrade of electric vehicles. Number 4, increase production capacity. Manufacturers are scaling up production to meet the rising demand for electric vehicles. Number 5, Hungary subsidy scams. Hungary has increased a subsidy scam of $79 to boost electric vehicle adoption. Graphical analysis, market equilibrium, understanding demand and supply function. Price equilibrium, price quantity equilibrium quantity. Terima kasih, sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.